Hey guys, Mr. Best 556 here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Lixada 25 watt moving headlights. So I ordered two, and here they are. Okay, so I got the tops open on both of them. So we have some manuals here. Okay. And then a mounting bracket and our cable. And then this should be the actual light. So here's one of them. Okay, so here they are. Okay guys, so I finished setting up the lights and everything, and I waited until it was really dark in the garage. I did add my mini Kinta. I guess it will just kind of add to the light show that I show you. But you can see the gobos just fine, and let me change them a little bit. Ooh, that looks kind of cool. So yeah, it looks really epic in fog. So I'm going to play a song really quick. Okay, so I'm playing the song Tsunami, it's called. Okay, so that was my little review on them. And by the way, that was on show 3, and that one was on slave 2. That mini Kinta really does quite a bit. I'm planning on getting another one of those also. But yeah, I guess I'll see.